What is domain name system? Is the protocol responsible for resolving host names such as tryhackme.com to their respective IP addresses. DNS provides a simple way for us to communicate with devices on the internet without remembering complex numbers. Much like every house has a unique address for sending mail directly to it, every computer on the internet has its own unique address to communicate with it, called an IP address. An IP address looks like the following: 4 sets of digits ranging from 0 to 255. Separated by a period. Maybe you will see sometimes 256, that's including 0. And we have 4 octets. When you want to visit a website, it's not exactly convenient to remember this complicated set of numbers, and that's where DNS can help. So instead of remembering 104, 26, 10, 229, you can remember tryhackme.com instead. What does DNS stand for? Domain name system. Right, and we can see in this short diagram, the IP is resolved to its name. TryHackMe. That's done for any website on the internet.